Good day to everyone. Welcome to today's session. In the last session, we had learned about the finding out the sum, that is using the shortcut alt equals. Today we'll learn about the shortcut which we need to know for our daily use. First, in order to copy the data, select the data, then click on Ctrl and C. Then in order to paste the data, click on the desired cell, then click on Ctrl V. You can see that the data has been copied to a new cell. In order to cut the data, again select the data, then click on Ctrl X. Then click on the desired cell where you need to paste the data. Then click on Ctrl V. You can see that the data has been cut and has been pasted to the desired cell. Then in order to undo the changes, you can click on Ctrl Z. Now you can see that the data which I had pasted has been moved back to the original cell. In order to redo that, you can click on Ctrl Y. You can see that the changes that has been undone has been again redone. These are the basic shortcut we need to know for our daily use. Next, we'll see how to bold the letters. Now select the range of data, then click on Ctrl B. Now you can see that the data which I had selected has been changed to bold type. Then if I again click on Ctrl B, see, now it has been normalized. You can click on Ctrl B, or you can do the undo, that is Ctrl Z. In order to change the font style to italic, you can click on Ctrl I. You can click on Ctrl I. Now you can see that the data which I had selected has been changed to italic style. Then in order to underline the data, you can click on Ctrl U. Now you can see that the data which I had selected has been underlined. Now I am doing the undo. These are the basic shortcuts which we need to know in order to use MS Excel in our daily life. Thank you for joining today's session in the journey to learn Excel from basics to advanced level. If you have any doubt, please comment on the video and we'll revert back to you. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our video.